There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Please take the time to go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you leave some comments and hit the like button. But if you want to see how I made this beautiful golden extra crispy chicken, keep watching this video. I cracked 5 eggs, then added in some salt, then some pepper, and then mixed it well. To my flour mixture, I added some salt, chili powder, garlic granules, cumin, mustard seed powder, I added some pepper, then I added just a little bit more salt. I felt really compelled to try this Grill Mates hamburger. I had it in the cabinet, so I just decided to just try it and put it in there. Test the oil to make sure it's hot. Dip the chicken in the egg mixture. When you're coating your chicken, make sure you're taking your time and trying to get all the flour and all the nooks and crannies of the chicken just to help make it stick. That way you have a better chance of getting the absolute crispiest chicken you can possibly get. Dip it in that hot vegetable oil and voila! I forgot to mention, when I clean my chicken, the first thing I do is soak it in some salt and lemon juice. While it's soaking, before I clean it, I go ahead and prep my flour and my egg mixture. Once all that's prepped, then I go back and then I clean the chicken really, really good with some gloves. Rinse it off about 5 times with salt and lemon. You can use the lemon juice that comes in a bottle. It's a concentrate, or you can just squeeze fresh lemon. I actually used both because I had some lemons that I needed to get rid of, so I used those first and then used the concentrate afterwards because I didn't want to waste the lemons that I had. So honestly, it has been years since I fried chicken. I usually will bake it for them, but we haven't had fried at home in quite some time. So I'm really hoping that this turns out the way I think it will. Some skills you just never lose. Let's just be honest. You know, you can't, I mean, you know, you know what I'm saying? But so far, I'm liking the way it looks, so they'll let me know if it's good or not. Trust and believe me. This is something that I've always done. After each batch is done, I take all seasoning or seasoned salt and I'll sprinkle it on the chicken while it's hot to give it that extra flavor. There's something special about putting just a tad bit of your favorite seasoning on it. Once it comes out of the hot grease, just sprinkle it on there while it's hot. I promise you it's just real good. It's just really, really good. Just trust me.
It's delicious. I like it. It's like the first time I took the crumb, there was like a piece coming off, so I just ate it and stuff. But it's delicious. A little crispy, you know? This is some chicken my mother made. And it's mad delicious. I love it, man.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been an absolute pleasure. Let me know if you make this recipe and make it a staple inside your kitchen. But remember, keep hustling, be humble. This is your reality. But I will see you guys in the next one. But I gotta go. Bye.